The art of machine learning algorithms, unveiling their power through code in the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Machine learning algorithms stand as silent architects behind many modern innovations. From self-driving cars navigating complex cityscapes to recommendation engines tailoring our online experiences, these algorithms are at the heart of transformative applications. For programmers and data scientists alike, understanding how different types of algorithms function is essential. This exploration delves deep into various categories such as supervised learning, unsupervised techniques, reinforcement strategies, and neural network architectures that form the backbone of intelligent systems today. Supervised learning, the foundation of predictive modeling at its core. Supervised learning involves training models using labeled datasets where both input variables and corresponding output labels are known. This approach enables algorithms to learn patterns from historical data and make accurate predictions on unseen examples. The most common tasks within this domain include regression analysis for numerical outcomes and classification problems aimed at categorizing items based on features extracted from data samples. Linear regression, a fundamental technique used when predicting continuous values by fitting a straight line through observed data points. Decision trees. These tree-like structures split dataset attributes recursively until they reach decision nodes capable of classifying instances effectively. Both methods have distinct advantages. Linear regression offers simplicity while decision trees provide interpretability without assuming any particular relationship between variables. Unsupervised learning. Discovering hidden patterns unlike their supervised counterparts. Unsupervised learning algorithms work exclusively with unlabeled data sets devoid of predefined answers. Their primary goal revolves around identifying underlying structures or groupings inherent within raw information. This category encompasses clustering methodologies which segment similar observations together along with dimensionality reduction approaches designed to simplify high-dimensional feature spaces by preserving crucial characteristics. K-means clustering. One popular method that partitions data into K-clusters based on distance metrics calculated between each instance and cluster centroids. Principal component analysis, PCA, an effective tool reducing complexity by transforming original variables into fewer orthogonal components capturing maximum variance present in the initial set. These tools empower analysts to uncover hidden relationships among seemingly unrelated entities, making them invaluable across fields ranging from market basket analysis to image compression technologies. Reinforcement learning. Teaching machines through trial and error. Reinforcement learning represents an entirely different paradigm focused on enabling agents to interact dynamically with environments while receiving feedback via rewards or penalties after taking actions. Such frameworks typically involve defining states representing current conditions alongside available actions an agent might perform to transition towards desired goals efficiently over time. Q-learning, a model-free algorithm allowing agents to build knowledge about optimal decisions through iterative updates guided solely by past experiences rather than explicit guidance. Deep Q networks. DQN integrates principles from deep learning with traditional Q-learning mechanisms to handle complex scenarios requiring vast amounts of sensory inputs during interactions. Applications span autonomous navigation systems, game-playing AI like AlphaGo, and even robotics development projects aiming at creating adaptable machines able to tackle diverse challenges autonomously. Neural networks. Mimicking human cognitive processes, artificial neural networks draw inspiration from biological neuron structure yet operate mathematically through layers composed of interconnected processing units called nodes or artificial neurons. Each node applies weighted transformations onto incoming signals before passing outputs further down the hierarchy until reaching final prediction stages determined primarily by activation functions applied at every level. Fully connected layers. Traditional architecture where each neuron connects fully with others forming dense interdependencies useful for basic pattern recognition tasks. Convolutional layers. Specialized filters detect local spatial hierarchies making CNNs particularly adept at handling images or video streams containing rich visual cues. Despite their power, designing efficient networks requires careful consideration regarding depth versus width trade-offs, ensuring computational feasibility doesn't overshadow performance gains achievable through increased complexity. Evaluation metrics. Measuring algorithm effectiveness. Assessing success hinges upon selecting appropriate evaluation criteria tailored specifically toward problem domains under investigation. Accuracy alone rarely suffices due to potential biases introduced by imbalanced classes affecting overall reliability measurements significantly. Precision measures proportion. Correctly identified positive cases out total predicted positives, whereas recall quantifies percentage actually true positives captured relative entire actual positives existing within ground truth records. F1 score. Harmonic mean balancing. Precision against recall, providing single metric summarizing classifier quality irrespective directionality issues faced separately considering either measure independently. ROC-AUC curve graphically depicts trade-off between false positive rate versus true positive rate, varying thresholds revealing robustness across differing operational contexts. Choosing right combination ensures fair comparisons between competing solutions, facilitating informed choices concerning implementation pathways forward, especially critical areas demanding high-stakes consequences, e.g., medical diagnostics or financial fraud detection systems. Data pre-processing techniques. Enhancing model performance before feeding raw data into sophisticated models. Pre-processing steps become vital for improving generalization capabilities, minimizing noise interference, disrupting meaningful signal extraction processes. Common practices encompass normalization, scaling numeric ranges, consistently enhancing convergence speeds during optimization phases alongside encoding categorical variables, converting textual representations into usable numerical forms acceptable algorithmically. Z-score normalization standardizes distribution centering mean zero unit standard deviation, aiding gradient descent procedures converge faster reliably, avoiding divergence risks associated extreme value disparities. One-hot encoding transforms nominal variable levels represented mutually exclusive binary vectors, preventing arbitrary numerical interpretations, assigning undue influence onto ordinal positions inherently non-existent within original dataset semantics. Properly executed preparatory routines lay groundwork necessary achieving competitive results, leveraging advanced modeling paradigms. Otherwise susceptible degradation caused insufficiently conditioned inputs lacking structural integrity. Required successful deployment real-world settings. Hyperparameter tuning strategies. Optimizing model configuration. Tuning hyperparameters constitutes pivotal stage influencing ultimate effectiveness achieved deploying learned functions practically. Parameters. External model weights determine architectural choices impacting speed, accuracy, balance, attainable outcomes. Grid search exhaustively evaluates combinations specified parameter spaces, although computationally expensive compared alternatives, offering systematic thoroughness albeit potentially slow convergence rates, limiting scalability prospects. Expansive configuration landscapes. Random search samples randomly selected configurations, exploring broader regions likely containing optima, more efficiently allocating resources proportionally according to importance attributed individual factors affecting system behavior differently. Bayesian optimization leverages probabilistic models, iteratively refining posterior distributions, guiding subsequent trials, smartly focusing efforts, promising avenues, maximizing utility, derived limited experimental budgets, allocated tuning activities. Adopting suitable strategy depends largely upon resource availability constraints coupled with urgency demands, dictating whether rapid approximations suffice versus exhaustive sweeps warranted, ensuring top-tier performance is crucial. Safety critical sectors, healthcare, aviation, etc. Overfitting mitigation approaches, ensuring generalizability while powerful. ML models often struggle generalizing beyond training samples, suffering severe drops test phase unless precautions implemented proactively, addressing root causes contributing excessive memorization, instead learning abstract patterns applicable. Wider scenarios. Regularization introduces penalty terms, discouraging overly complex solutions, favoring simpler ones, retaining predictive strength without sacrificing explanatory capacity necessary, maintaining trustworthiness. Deployed products, services, interacting end users' daily lives. L1 regularization Lasso encourages sparsity, promoting feature selection, eliminating irrelevant predictors, reducing dimensional burden, easing interpretation burdens arising, multivariate dependencies complicating causal inferences drawn, conclusions derived, analyses conducted. L2 regularization. Ridge constrains coefficient magnitudes, preventing runaway growth, mitigating multicollinearity effects, stabilizing estimates obtained amidst correlated covariates, threatening validity assumptions, foundational statistical inference procedures, commonly employed hypothesis testing frameworks. Dropping validation curves, monitoring error fluctuations throughout epochs helps identify early signs, divergence suggesting need intervention, adjusting regularization coefficients appropriately, restoring equilibrium lost amid aggressive pursuit. Minimal loss objectives, neglecting broader implications, long-term stability maintenance essential, sustainable progress, technological advancement arenas. Emerging trends in machine learning algorithms. The field continues evolving rapidly, driven breakthroughs recent years exemplified advancements, generative adversarial networks synthesizing realistic images, audio sequences surpassing previous benchmarks, established conventional approaches, constrained limitations, synthetic generation capacities previously unattainable. Federated learning emerges prominent, response privacy concerns, decentralizing computation, distributing sensitive information locally, keeping confidential data secure, premises, aggregating results centrally, optimizing global models collaboratively without exposing private details, compromising user anonymity, integrity protections, paramount. Digital age, increasingly vigilant regulatory scrutiny governing personal information usage policies worldwide. GANs revolutionize creative industries, enabling artists, designers generate novel works, blending human creativity, machine intelligence, producing unprecedented artistic expressions, redefining boundaries, imagination, innovation. FedML addresses growing demand, secure collaborative analytics, empowering organizations share insights, jointly developing shared intelligence, respecting stringent confidentiality requirements, prevalent contemporary business environments, emphasizing ethical, responsible AI governance standards. Moreover, quantum computing integration promises exponential acceleration, solving NP-hard problems currently impractical classical computers, suggesting future algorithms harnessing qubit properties, unlocking new dimensions possibilities. Hitherto inaccessible traditional bit-based logic confined deterministic computations, incapable coping combinatorial explosions, encountered optimization challenges facing researchers pushing frontiers, scientific discovery, engineering, design domains. Conclusion: mastery over machine learning algorithms equips developers with indispensable skills shaping tomorrow's technological ecosystem. Whether crafting personalized recommendations or automating industrial operations, these tools remain central pillars advancing digital transformation initiatives globally. By embracing continual education, staying abreast latest developments, practitioners can confidently navigate dynamic terrain, ensuring contributions positively impact society, leveraging collective wisdom, humanity toward building inclusive, equitable technological futures accessible everyone regardless background, expertise level attained thus far.